everyone, today we're going to learn how to accept your 2026-2027 financial aid offer. First thing you'll do is go to your Penguin portal and sign in with your Penguin credentials. Next, when you're on the Penguin portal, you're going to navigate to the Student Dashboard tile. In that Student Dashboard tile under Financial Aid, it says Accept Your Aid Offer. Make sure to click on Accept Your Aid Offer. Once you're in Accept Your Aid Offer, make sure that at the top right-hand corner, you're in the right academic year. It should say 2026-2027 aid year. After that, you're going to need to answer a mandatory financial aid question. You'll hit View Question, and in the question, it'll ask what your expected graduation semester from YSU is. You're going to select the appropriate response. After you submit the question, then you're going to hit the X at the top right of that question. Once you're done with the question, you're then going to navigate to the aid offer heading. Within the aid offer, you'll be able to see the grants, scholarships, and loans that you have been offered for the 2026-2027 academic year. Under Take Action, you're going to hit Select and either accept, decline, or modify the amounts accepted for each aid offer. Then you're going to hit Submit. It's important to note that loan amounts accepted will disperse evenly between the fall and the spring semesters. This is based on full-time attendance. Loans will be prorated or reduced for students registered less than full-time. Students are limited to a maximum of 50% of their loan eligibility in a single term. For example, if a student is offered $5,500 annually for their loan amount, they can only get $2,750 maximum for that semester. Parent Plus loans cannot be accepted on the Penguin portal, and they do require a separate application to be submitted by the parent on www.studentaid.gov. Once you accept the aid that you would like, you're going to come across the terms and conditions. It's important to read over the terms and conditions carefully, and if you have any questions at all, give us a call before signing. Once you have understood your terms and conditions, you'll acknowledge the terms and conditions and accept award. After you have accepted your award offer, you'll be able to see that you have successfully submitted the award offer. After that, navigate to the notification heading where you will be able to see any outstanding tasks and requirements to complete. If you have any questions on your notifications, please give us a call. If you are a first-time federal loan borrower, you will have to complete the entrance loan counseling and the master promissory note on studentaid.gov. The entrance loan counseling is a counseling that talks about the terms and conditions of your loan, while the master promissory note is a legal document that you sign to promise to pay back the Department of Education. We have gone over a lot of information in this session, so if you have any questions, please give us a call at 330-941-3505. You could give us an email at ysufinaid@ysu.edu, and we have walk-in hours where you can meet with a financial aid counselor Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Again, you can meet with that counselor individually and talk about any concerns that you might have. Have a great day.